Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to download or install Dead by Daylight game on your Windows computer from Microsoft Store. So the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So go to Microsoft Store. On the top here you can see top right here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in once again. Select the account with which you ordered the game and then click on continue. And then over here you have to go ahead and enter your password or pin, whatever it is asking. So in my case it's password. So enter your password or pin, and once you're logged in you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, make sure date and time is correct on your computer. On the bottom right here you can see the date and time. So make sure date and time is correct. If not, make a right click on date and time and then click on adjust date and time. And then make sure set time automatically is on over here, and also make sure time zone is correct over here. So make sure that you select your time zone over here, and in Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically, so go ahead and turn it on. Now you can also scroll down in Windows 11, then click on additional clock, and you can go to date and time, and from here also you can go ahead and change date and time. If it is not right, you can change month and year from here and select the date over here and then click on OK. And you can also change the time over here, so enter the right time over here and then click on OK. And you can also change the date and time, the time zone from here, so click on change time zone and select your region and then try to launch the game. Now still you're facing the problem, you can go ahead and try to install the game from your library. So open Microsoft Store. Over here you can see the library option, so click on it and you will find your game over here. So sometimes the game is available over here and you will find the install option, so you can go ahead and try to install the game from library. If you don't find the game in library, then you can go ahead and skip this step. Now the next step is to run Windows Store Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu and then click on settings, or you can make a right click on the start menu and then click on settings. Now in Windows 10 you will have update and security option. So on this screen you will find update and security, so you have to click on update and security. In case of Windows 11, click on system, then scroll down, click on troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshooter, and then scroll down. Here you can see Windows Store apps. In Windows 10 you simply click on it, then click on run the troubleshooter, and in Windows 11 you will find the run option, so click on run and run the troubleshooter, and once that is done, restart your computer and then try to install the game. The next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So go ahead and type in wsreset in Windows search box and click on wsreset. Now you will see a black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and then it will open Microsoft Store. So once this is gone, it will open Microsoft Store and then you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store, and now you can go ahead and try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security or Windows update, and then click on check for update, and once the update is installed, restart your computer and then try to install your game. The next step is to reset store app. Now to reset store app, go to the start menu, then open settings, go to apps and then click on apps and features and then find store over here. So in the search box you can go ahead and type in store, and in Windows 10 just click on it, then click on advanced option. In Microsoft Store in Windows 11 you have to go ahead and click on this three dot, then click on advanced options, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset, and once the reset is done you can go ahead and try to install the game once again. So let this process complete, and after that you can go ahead and open Microsoft Store. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update, Microsoft Store install services and background intelligence service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, so scroll down. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic, and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find Microsoft Store install service. So here you can see Microsoft Store install service. Just make a double click and then make sure startup type is again set to automatic. Click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. With this selected over here, click on restart the service. And do the same thing with background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, then select automatic over here, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. And then with this selected over here, click on restart the service and then open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to run PowerShell command to re-register Microsoft Store. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here and hit the enter key. Now once this is done, you can go ahead and open store once again and then try to install the game. The next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. To uninstall, copy this command. Again, this command is provided in the video description. Copy it and then open PowerShell once again. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will go ahead and uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. So next time when you search Microsoft Store, you will not find Microsoft Store over here. Now you go ahead and restart your computer now. After you uninstall it, click on restart. And after the system restart, you can go ahead and copy this command. Again, open PowerShell. So go ahead and type in PowerShell and then make a right click, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow and then paste the second command. This will go ahead and reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. And this time when you type in store, it will go ahead and open Microsoft Store. You should be able to open it. Now in case if this command does not work, you can go ahead and run this command. Both the commands are used to reinstall Microsoft Store. In my case, it's already installed now, but I will run the command anyway. You are seeing this error message because Microsoft Store is already installed. Now the next step is to run dism or sfc command. So go ahead and type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So let the scan complete. Once this is 100% complete, you can go ahead and copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is complete, you restart your computer and then try to install the game. The next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So go ahead and type in inetcpl.cpl in Windows search box. Click on inetcpl.cpl, go to the advanced tab and then scroll down. Now over here you can see use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all are checked over here. So if any one of them is unchecked, go ahead and put a check on the box which says TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Then click on apply, then click on OK, and then start Microsoft Store, launch Microsoft Store, and then try to install the game. Now in case if nothing is working, you can go ahead and reset Windows 10 or 11. Now before you perform reset, make sure that you create a backup because reset may result in data loss. So whenever you perform reset, there is chances of losing all the data on your computer. So just create a backup first and then reset Windows 10 or 11, whichever you have. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. And then you have to go ahead and click on Windows Update. In case of Windows 10, you have to click on Update and Security. Then click on Recovery option. So over here in Windows 10, you will find once you click on Update and Security, you will find the Recovery option on the left hand side. In Windows 11, you have to click on Advanced option. Once you click on Windows Update, Advanced option, then click on Recovery. And then over here you can see the option which says Reset this PC. So click on Reset this PC. And then here you can see two options. One is keep my files, other is remove everything. So you can go ahead and select the option which you want. For now, when you select keep my files, it will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Now if you select remove everything, it will remove all your personal files, application and settings. So you can go ahead and select the option which you want, and then you can go ahead and select local reinstall, and then you can click on next, and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset your computer. And after that, you have to go ahead and set up your computer once again. You have to start it from the scratch, and then you can go ahead and launch Microsoft Store, and that should go ahead and fix the problem.